Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this nice Bighorn CB, and then as you know, this is built by Heartland, so the Bighorn is upper end, of thicker walls, the 3-year structure warranty on it, the auto level, the big basement underneath. Really nice coach. Let's go inside and show you more. Here we are, folks. We're inside. You can see it's a unique floor plan. Got like the bar system in there, so a birthday party maybe, or get together with family. This will accommodate everybody. The 4-door fridge, lots of counter space. Look at this traffic flow in the kitchen, all the way around with a couch. Lots of cabinets, as you can see. TV again in the right spot. So let's go up in the bedroom here as we go in. Walk around bed, big huge closet. I mean, elbow room. It means a lot, folks. The bathroom, look at this ambiance in the bathroom. Makes it, home almost, kind of on the road. Very sturdy coach. It's built like a tank. Bighorn is known for that. Let's go outside and show you more. Here we go, folks. Here we are outside again with the Bighorn. Very impressive. Auto level, you got it. The sturdy steps. Look at this unique paint job they have on it. Again, there is a lot of information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.